Okay. Welcome guys. First time to do a video para i-review yung bagong bili kong headset. Pangalan nito is EXA Telecom. Yan. So, nakalagay dito, it's environmental noise cancelling wireless headset. So, meron siyang Bluetooth transmitter. Nakita ko na yung review nito with another YouTube channel. Wait lang. Minimize natin ito. Okay. So, well, technically, nagandahan ako dito kasi nung nakita ko yung video na yun, ang eksena is nasa labas siya. Nasa labas yung host and suot niya yung headset na to. So, sobrang dami ng sasakyan and then nung switch nila sa noise cancellation yung maganda yung result. Sobrang parang walang maririnig na background noise. So anyway, I tested this naman na after ko ma-receive. Hindi ko lang siya nagawa ng video. So ngayon ko lang siya gagawa ng video and gagayahin ko lang din sila. Meron akong blender dito. So yan, blender. Open tayo ng recorder. At yung anak ko nag-iingay sa baba. So, meron na mga environmental noise. Environmental noise. Tapos, so ito yung mangyayari. Bale, i-test out natin siya with two types of headset. Which is ito at saka yung company provided na headset, which is the Jabra Biz 2300. So for now, let's open this. Actually, nakakabit na yung Bluetooth dongle sa sa computer. So ito turn on ko na lang to. Ayan. So, yung pros nito, yung noise cancellation, maganda. Tapos yung sound, maganda rin. And then, cons lang, sobrang, ewan ko, siguro para sa akin lang, cons is, or baka sa ibang tao. Lefty kasi ko, so okay lang na ang headset is here. Yung boom mic ba tawag dito? Yan. So dito lang siya, hindi siya nagro-rotate ng 360. So kung medyo yun ang magiging concern nyo, I don't know, kung gusto nyo pa rin tong unit na to, pwede nyo siyang i-consider pa rin. And then na lang, sanayan na lang din. Yan, maganda yung niya yung foam niya. Same siya dun sa old ko na Sennheiser na chipipay ko lang din nabili. Naka-sale kasi. So yan. Yung design, okay naman. I'm not sure kung nakikita nyo. And then, hindi siya na-fold pero na-extend siya. Yan. And then, ito, medyo cushion. So, maganda siya sa head. Ngayon, ito yung kasama ng box ng item na to, which is warning manual. Okay. And actually warning note lang siguro. Ito yung user manual. So may English, may ewan ko, may ibang language din, may Chinese, may Japanese, and Spanish. Ayan. Anyway, hindi naman yun yung ano natin. So, tinesting ko kung plug and play siya, which is plug and play naman. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-download ng iba-ibang application. Kasi yung computer na to is company owned, so mayroon siyang security feature para maiwasan mag-install without IT's permission. Ito yung kasama niyang what do you call this? Type C. So charger. Ang hindi ko lang alam is, which is I'm not sure kung magagawa ko, kung pag kinonect to sa USB is magiging wired connection siya, but chances are baka hindi rin. Anyway, just know-how. Anyway, ito yan. Ganda naman yung bag niya. Or siguro kung ano, well, for the price of nakuha ko to sale eh. So about 2,700 sa Shopee. Siguro feed ko lang din, or naisip ko lang din kasi may mga nakita akong mga sample videos sa YouTube ng ibang brand, naka-carrying case. So anyway, yun lang naman, hindi naman siya masyadong problema. Now, to turn this on, ito siya, ipindutin lang yung gitna, and then there we go. So yan, turned on na siya, and then pag nakataas to, meron kang maririnig na mic is off, and then pag binaba mo ng ganyan, mic is on. So meron siyang mute option na parang kagaya doon sa ibang Jabra na sinap yung video before. Anyway, for now, let's turn this off. Okay. Turn this off muna. So magagawa lang ako ng recording using this Jabra Biz 2300. Tapos we'll check sa noise cancellation. Alright. Now, since meron tayong background noise, naririnig nyo yung mag-in ako sa baba, malalaman nyo yung kung may noise cancellation talaga to or not. Anyway, let's go. Okay, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2. Alright, semi quiet environment dahil merong background noise sa baba. Okay, and then stop. Okay, now ang gagawin ko ay test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2, test 1 2. Alright, semi quiet environment dahil merong background noise sa baba. Okay, and then let's stop. Okay, good. Medyo hinaan lang natin ng konti. Medyo malakas. And then test natin itong EXA. Alright, so connected na yung headset natin. We'll select EXA H6 na. Ayan na. And then, let's start. Medyo may background noise pa rin na tawag dito. Kasi medyo mahangin dito sa location ng bahay namin pag ganitong season. So anyway, let's start. Mic test, mic test. Semi-quiet environment. This is just a test. May background noise sa baba ng konti. Ngayon medyo hindi. Alright. And then some wind. Alright. Stopping. Alright. Now, let's go for headphones. Before that, gotta go. Alright, so speaker headphone tayo. Let's play. Mic test, mic test. Semi-quiet environment. This is just a test. May background noise sa baba ng konti. And then some wind. Stopping. Weird. Mic test, mic test. Semi-quiet environment. This is just a test. May background noise sa baba ng konti. Ngayon, medyo there's some wind. Alright, stopping. Oh, patay. Ano nangyari? Bakit meron akong ganun? Alright. Sige, ganito. That's weird. Feeling ko napipick up niya yung Jabra headset. So let's remove it first. Another test. So bali dalawa na lang to. Let's test this again. Alright, mic test, mic test. Almost quiet environment. Checking, checking. Mic test, mic test. Okay. Alright, stopping. Alright, let's try. Let's try that one more time. Okay. Mic test, mic test. Almost quiet environment. Checking, checking. Mic test, mic test. Okay. Okay. Alright, stopping. Okay, so mukhang na-pick up ng recording ay nasa Jabra. Alright. Let's test another set now. One more time. Na, can you sing? Alright, so testing one more time. Background noise downstairs. Galing sa aking mag-ina. Okay. Testing. Alright, stopping. Okay. Let's test that. Alright, so testing one more time. Background noise downstairs. Galing sa aking mag-ina. Okay. Testing. Alright. Stopping. Ooh, nice. Naka-speaker headphone pa rin siya, pero it's good. Anyway, one more time. Disconnect natin si Exa. Alright, power off na siya. Oops. And then let's put back the headset. Jabra headset. Before it was Plantronics, pero I don't know. Weird. No noise cancellation talaga. Anyway, let's test this out with Ice Master. Ice Master. Blender. Alright, let's go. Testing 1, 2, 3. I will turn on the blender now. Checking. Stopping the recording. Okay. Alright. So, kailangan kong tanggalin ito. And then, let's go. Oops. Made a mistake. There you go. Testing 1, 2, 3. I will turn on the blender now. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. This is a test. Checking. Stopping the recording now. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang aking English. Barok na barok. Or mahina ang pronunciation. Anyway, so let's turn this on. Kailangan ko pong buksan. Alright. Pairing. Okay, so we're connected na headset natin. Now we'll go for recording. And again, this time kasama na naman si Blender. Alright, testing 1, 2, 3. We'll start turning on the Blender now. off na siya. And then, let's change this to speaker headphone.
Right, testing 1, 2, 3. We'll start turning on the blender now. Blender is turned on. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Blender is turned on. Rolling to test kung maganda ang result. Sana hindi mo ako pahiya.
Okay. So, super low capture yung background noise nito. Most likely maririnig nyo naman sa recording na to yung yung blender. So this is not really a live broadcast, but at the same time it's parang paano ba? Maraming background noise, hindi ko na i-edit yung mga background noises para maging mukhang legit siya. And honestly, hindi naman ako marunong mag-edit. So, continuous recording lang tayo. Ngayon, I'll try to do another recording with Exa H6 with blender on, pero partway dun sa recording is hindi ako magsasalita para testing natin kung gaano siya ka gandang mag noise cancel. Alright, so let's put this on, headset on, power on, pairing mo down. Okay, microphone on, connected na siya. Alright, speaker Exa H6 100%. Alright. Alright. So, recording. I'm going to turn on the blender once more. And then I'll be silent throughout the duration of this recording. Microphone Oz. What Oz? Alright. Alright, power off. And then naka-speaker na tayo. Ang gamit kong speaker sa baba nito is yung aking Divan. Libre do sa TV sa baba. Anyway, let's play.
Alright. So, recording. I'm going to turn on the blender once more. And then I'll be silent throughout the duration of this recording.
Wow, okay. So, meron lang siyang few seconds na masasagap yung sound. And then ayan. Nice. Okay, so as you can see, ito yung blender. Ito ko. So yung headset is dito lang siya. Sobrang lakas ng blender. Wala akong decibel reader dito, so that's too bad. But anyway, at least yung recording speak for itself. I'm not sponsored. By the way, I'm not sponsored. I forgot to mention. Hindi ito sponsored. Binayaran ko po ito kasi hindi naghahanap talaga ako ng pamalit na headset kasi sobrang pangit ng noise cancellation ng Jabra na 2300. Sorry. Hindi talaga siya hindi ko talaga siya trip gamitin, but I have no choice until I find one that is suitable for my need pag nag-work from home. So ito na nga po 'yun. Hopefully it will help you guys with choosing a headset of your of your choice, I guess, para sa mga call center work nyo. So yun, thank you for watching. I'm not gonna say subscribe, whatever, doesn't really matter naman. This is just a review, so thank you, good night.